Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. First things first, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am trying to get myself to 500 so that I can do my next giveaway. More details on that in another video. Another thing real quick, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do so at Mello'Z Nailz with a Z, just like it is on my channel. Now that that's out the way, in today's video, what I'm doing, you can probably tell from the title, but in my last video, I reviewed this double dip brand dip powder, and they said you can use it also for acrylic. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. I'm going to test it with my monomer and see how it does. So what I did was, because I'm just testing it out and I didn't want to have to like remove the whole acetone thing, what I did was I'm just using these tips that I got, and it's just these here. They're like full coverage tips. I got these off of Amazon, and they come in sizes 0 through 9. They're these full coverage tips, as you can see. And I use these, where did they go? These sticky tabs to stick them on. I also got these on Amazon. Don't know if you can see them, but they are made for nails, and they come in different sizes. They start from big to small, just that way. I got like 10 sheets. The package came with like 10 sheets of these. So that's what I use to stick the nails on. So that's why I have them on like that. So once I'm done with this, I can just remove them and do a set if I want to, or just not do anything. So I just decided to do that since I was trying it out. So what I'm probably gonna do, I think I'm gonna use all the colors because I want to see how they all act, because you know, sometimes powders can act different in different things. So I'm gonna use all 3 of the colors, and I'm probably just gonna do like an ombre with this frosted pink from Mia's Secret. And then I have my clear acrylic just to encapsulate. And that's really probably all I'm going to do since I'm just testing it out. So, yeah, so I just showing you guys this. So, let me get all my stuff opened and ready to go, and then I'll get started. So, I've opened up all my containers. Well, look at me. I forgot this one. But anywho, so I opened up most of my containers. So I'm pretty much ready to go. So what I actually did too before I opened everything up to get ready, I just buffed over the nails with a buffer just to get it rough, to have, so the powder will have something to stick to. So I just did that to all of them so they don't look shiny anymore, if you were wondering. But alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, and let's see what happens here. So I will come back in, I guess, while we're done, when I'm done, and give you my final thoughts, or not. I may pop back in here and there, but we'll see. final set. I didn't want to do all of them on camera because I was like, it's only 3 colors, so I thought I was just gonna do 1 color on this nail, but then I decided to go in with all 3 colors to try it out. It's not my best, but I tried it. Anywho, yeah, I'm still working on my ombre kind of thing, but I mean, I think they look okay. Now, my final thoughts on using this dip powder, the double dip powder, as an acrylic powder. They worked fine as far as consistency, as far as how they went on. The only thing that I'd have to say about these is the mixing of the color, because I could tell when I was putting the colors on, you could see the color, like the clear mixed in with the bright pink and the green, and then with the orange especially, you could actually see the white that it was mixed with. So what I want to show you guys, look at the color difference. This is what I got when I used it as dip. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, that's better. And then this is what it looks like using it as the acrylic. So it's a serious like color difference in the two oranges, and this was the one that, you know, was the most different that I noticed with that. But I mean, other than that, they worked fine as far as acrylic, using it as acrylic. It's just the color, and this really was the only one. I know they have a lot more colors, and I only have these 3, so I can only go on, you know, the ones that I have. But I'll show you the color comparisons next to them, and you can see for yourself what they look like. So that would be the only thing that I would have to say about them. I think, like I said, they worked out pretty good. I mean, if you want the stronger color, I would suggest using it just as the dip. Maybe it could have worked out different if I had done, if I had mixed the colors before I started. That might have helped. So, you know, so I can't say that, no, don't use it as acrylic. Maybe just mix it and not do what I did. But anyway, I think they still turned out pretty decent. And yeah, so this is what I came up with. The final look. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, I did want to show you how easy these tabs are to take off. So now all I have to do is just pop it off. I got some acrylic on my finger, and it came off. See? That easy. And then I can probably just stick it back on, and then it's back. And there you go. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.